Central African Time. Now, global manufacturer of cut and polished diamonds, Finestar, has officially opened its new diamond manufacturing facility at the Tambo Special Economic Zone in Johannesburg, South Africa. The launch, attended by Mineral and Petroleum Resources Minister Gwede Mantashe, is expected to boost the country's diamond beneficiation efforts and also strengthen the country's position in the global jewelry market. We now have Finestar Director Gaurav Jain joining us this afternoon to tell us more about what this facility means for the company as well as the industry. A very warm welcome to you. Good to have you with us on Africa in Business.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's quite interesting that a new facility specializing in diamonds is being opened, especially around a time when diamonds globally are facing quite a challenge, especially with the rise of synthetic lab manufactured diamonds. Tell us the reasons behind this expansion.
So let me give you a brief. We're a company who deals only in natural diamonds, and lab grown or synthetics have always been a journey since day one. So I think our concentration, how we market, how do we show ourselves, our people, natural diamonds is a story of emotions. It just does not come where you can grow them. It comes, every single stone has a different characteristics. Every single rough it comes from. And South Africa gives us a great space. We already have an experience in Southern Africa. We have our operations in Botswana, we have our operations in Namibia, and now in Johannesburg. So we are pretty much aware of how Southern African regime works. So our commitment is about long term, it's about viabilities, it's about sustainability. And we want to be in that space. And this is a family run business. So our commitment is always going to be long term. But I think with the support of GIDZ giving us a chance, an opportunity to come and have an operations here, the support from them, the support from state diamond traders, the support from the Beers Group, the support from all the other tender houses. It allows us to grow and give that essence in Johannesburg. And thank you so much to all these esteemed guests which actually came down today. And we are so lucky that we got blessing from the minister himself. And, we much more. But, as a family business, we are proud of being a part of natural diamond history and its emotions.
It's emotions, you say, and I guess there'll always be a market for emotions. But let's get down to the actual impact that this facility is going to have as far as the number of jobs it's likely to create. Could you take us through that?
Yeah, so currently we're operating with the current staff of 46 employees, out of which 30 employees are from South Africa and 17 are Indian expats. So we're here to upskill our Southern African region employees. What's the great part about our operations here is, I may say 40% of our staff is actually women. So it's actually a great story of women empowerment to be a part of emotions, like I said, about natural diamonds. And women, I think no one can do better than them when it comes to emotions. So I think that's a great thing to be in this space.
And what impact is this likely to have on South Africa's diamond beneficiation efforts?
I think, the flow of investments that we as foreigners, when we come in, I think the support we get, the legislation and the policies that are in place, it allows us to grow in a way that we are doing currently. So we are very happy with the legislation and the policy that has been framed for SEZ. And in that space for us to work, without the biggest impact was VAT. I think VAT has been something that we all get our financial, commercial challenges. But with SEZ coming into a role, it allows us to, have the exemption of VAT, and then allows us to have more capital used in the right purpose.
Let's take a look now at some of the mechanisms and infrastructure behind your facilities. If you could talk us through the technology as well as the processes that are being used at your facility.
So actually, we are a company who are today indulged with a lot of artificial intelligence, and technology is our backbone of our company. We have, I would say, machines like WaterJet, which comes from Sonova, Switzerland. We have Galaxy machines from Israel. We have so much technology today. I would say 50 to 60% of a diamond can done by a machine. But there's always the finish that is required to finish the stone, which comes from a human touch. So I think upscaling our people and technology, I would say when you mix the two in the right way, is the right synergy. And this allows us to grow beyond leaps.
And what does this mean for Finestar? I mean, you did mention earlier on that it was a really huge privilege for you to have Minister Gwede Mantashe attend the launch today. What does that signify for you, not only as a company, but I guess the focus that is being put on the diamond industry in the country?
Actually, I've never heard of the minister going to any diamond factory to open. So, today it just shows the level of interest the Ministry of Mines also have in our industry, which also allows us, if there are any challenges, how it can be addressed, how well are they taken care of. So, I think minister's presence speaks it all. The way he was there, the way he expressed, the way he spoke to every single person who was part of our organization, understood our business. I think that's the support we need. And these are the support anyone would need in South Africa. So, we're very happy in that space that minister could take that time out with his entire entourage and come be a part of our function.
You mentioned earlier, Gaurav, that you do have facilities in other parts of the continent, like Botswana, for example. Are there plans to expand further, perhaps into other regions or even other countries on the African continent?
I think let me give you a little bit of leaps. Actually, we came from Surat, am I right? That's where our hometown is. That's where manufacturing of diamonds happen. From Surat, we came in 2018. We opened our first operation outside India, which was in Gaborone in Botswana. In 2021, when we opened our operation in Windhoek in Namibia. And now in 2023, we came to Johannesburg, South Africa. So I think this is just the beginning. We're looking to see how we can go forward with Angola, because that also plays a very pivotal role in our industry in the natural diamond space. You know, with Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa, I think we are more confident that how to work and operate out of Southern Africa. So I think Angola will be the next one.
All right, Gaurav, Jain, thank you so much for your time and all the best with your new diamond facility as a manufacturer of cut and polished diamonds. As you say, it's all about keeping it natural, and it's all about the emotions tied to the natural precious stone. We thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you so much, and thank you, SABC, for having me.
It's been a pleasure. That's Gaurav Jain, Finestar Director. He takes us to exactly 4:30.